Hello everybody, Brad here from Dante Arms Tech and I hope you're doing well, and today I want to introduce you to a new sponsor to the channel. The company is Save Latour. Now they do iPhone 12 cases. There will be a link in the description down below for you to go ahead and check out. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it's not going to cost you guys anything extra, it just gives the channel a bit of a kickback. But what we're going to do is have a look at the case itself. Now they come for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. So let's have a look, see what's inside the box. So then let's open up the box for Save Latour and see what comes inside. So once you open it up and you've got the installation accessory tools. Now this is going to be everything that you need for the tempered glass that's inside for the screen protector. However, we'll get to that in just a moment. Upon looking further, and you get a really nice anti-shock drop case. Now you have got a magnet in here for a wireless charging as well, which is absolutely brilliant. And the case itself is made out of liquid silicone. So yeah, it's really nice. It's going to protect your phone really well. The back of this is hard and it is also easy clean as well. So if you were to write on it, it would come off straight away. But looking at the phone case itself, it's really nice. Now, when your phone sits in here, it does sit 1.2mm above the phone itself, and on the back with the camera here, it also sits 1.2mm above as well, so you don't end up scratching the lenses on your iPhone. Like I said, this comes for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Max. Moving on, and you do have a user manual in there, but we won't need that. And you do get 2 tempered glass screen protectors, which is absolutely fantastic. But yeah, overall, that is what's inside. Now, like I said, it's anti-shock and anti-drop. Tempered glass screen protector is absolutely brilliant. And the phone case itself is a really nice feel. So yeah, this is what you're getting on inside. Now let's go ahead, put it on the phone itself, and yeah, check it out. So installing the screen protector couldn't be any easier. You do get these wet wipes. Now there's 2 in the pack, same as the protective screens. You also do get a cleaning cloth and a guides as well for the protector. But obviously we'll put those to one side because we won't need those at the moment. So obviously in regards to cleaning the phone screen, it's pretty easy. You just take out the little wet wipe, you then unfold it, put it over the phone, make sure you get it all nice and clean for obviously the screen protector. You do not want any dirt underneath it. Otherwise it's going to cause a bit of an issue when you put that protective screen over. You do get this little chamois, you then just rub it over the phone. And again, you do not want any dust or anything in the phone, so just swipe away from the phone. And that's pretty much the cleaning of the phone done. As you can see, it's all pretty nice, neat and tidy. Now for the screen protector itself, it comes like this. You just peel it off the back, taking the side so you manage not to get your fingerprints on the glass itself. And there is the glass. It's really nice. It's protective, it's tempered glass. And then you just want to line it up with the phone as you install it on, making sure it is in the corners, otherwise it is going to cause an issue when you put the case over. And once it's on, you just want to press down, making sure that you get any bubbles out. And there you go. That is pretty much it. Done. There you go. So it's on, no bubbles, clean it off, and then easy to install it within the case. Push it into the top first, and as you slide it in, move it on down, and there you have it. So yeah, it's on, like I said, it sits 1.2mm above the phone itself. It sits 1.2mm above the cameras. And again, the back is made of a liquid silicone, so you can just easily wipe everything off and it should leave no marks. But there you go. That's the phone case all installed. So there you go, there's the iPhone 12 case from Save Latour. Now it is a really nice case, obviously really easy to install. And the tempered glass, they couldn't have fitted it better with that guide, but obviously I didn't need to use that, but it's there if you wish to do so. Now the only other thing I've got to test out is really the drop test. There you go, nearly dropped it, but let's drop it from a height and see if it does any damage. And I'm going to drop it on its face as well. And as you can see, it is still working. No breaks, no scratches. That screen protector is doing its job, and shock resistant as well, which is really fantastic. Now the other thing I need to do is just get an Allen key. A screwdriver would have done, but I want to show you the scratch resistant back of this case. So as you can tell, the case got no scratches on it from dropping it. What I'm going to do now is scratch it up. and I don't know if you guys can see that properly, but there you go, there's some scratches on the back of it, and as I wipe it, no scratches. But yeah, overall, a really, really great product. So there's a bit of fluff in there. But yeah, overall, really, really great iPhone case. Now, like I said, scratch resistant, shock proof, and there is an Amazon affiliate link in that description down below, guys, if you want to go and check it out for yourself. Now, it doesn't cost you anything extra, just gives the channel a bit of a kickback. And Saver Latour haven't yet sent me through a discount code, but when they do, I'll make sure I drop it down there as well. Now, if you have any thoughts or questions, then leave them in that comment section down below. Go ahead and like the video and share the video as well. Like I said, Amazon affiliate link if you want to pick yourself up one. And that red button underneath the video, it says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications on videos for myself. But yeah, today's new sponsor is Saver Latour and the iPhone 12 case. Like I said, it comes with the 12, the 12 Pro and the 12 Max. So go and check it out for you guys. And like always, see you in the next video.